Let me keep riding out with DJ some more. So I'm DJ some more. Hit me up on Twitter, yo DJ _ so urban, and we gonna get it in just like that. And it's that time. I gotta go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and get into the winner's circle. Every week I like to congratulate, show light, put shine on people who's winning. You know what I mean? Whether it's in entertainment, whether it's just period, people period. We need to celebrate life in itself, things like that. So. Winning. Most of the winner's circle is, celebrities. Celebrities, everybody always, talking about the negative side of celebrityisms. Is that a word? Is that a real word? If it ain't, don't judge me. Anyways, again, also, man, to my Lakers, man. Damn, man. Kobe, why you had to sprain your ankle? Ain't no way make it to the playoffs now. But all my Heat people, I'm not a Heat fan. But I will congratulate y'all. 20 straight wins in a row. Like, really? I guess it's y'all time. So, y'all winning. Shout out to you. All y'all Heat fans. Even y'all bandwagon fans. Shout out to y'all. Because the Heat winning. 20 straight in a row. I remember when the Lakers used to play like that. Anyways, as I continue, Deion Sanders gets full custody over his kids. So, shout out to him. Him and his ex-wife, they call her gold digger or something like that. But, yeah, he is full custody over the kids. So that's always a good thing. Black man taking care of their kids and being the full custodial parent. You know what I'm saying? So, like, shout out to Deion Sanders. Michelle Obama, I mentioned her on her 50th birthday next year. Beyonce and Adele will be the entertainment for the First Lady's party next year. She's also going to be on the USA Vogue cover in April. So shout out to her right there. So First Lady's winning. She got bangs. She married to Barack Obama, who's our president. So, go ahead, Michelle. That's my auntie right there, my shero. Winning, Tamar Braxton. She got an Epic Records recording contract. Yeah, Epic Records, they signed her. Hopefully this album does way better than her last album. And if you like, Tamar put out another album, a first album, yeah, it went wood, but hopefully this one does something else. Hope she can back it up with Love and War. But I remember when she had the show, she did that song Hot Sugar. It was, yeah. Anyways, new season of The Braxtons on WeTV comes on tonight, and she's 5 months pregnant. So love is all up over Tamar Braxton, so she's winning. Justin Timberlake, if you got the JT new album, he got a special that's going to be on CW, so shout out to him. Berry Gordy received the Songwriters Hall of Fame organization. He's going to be getting the Pioneer Award for all his work with Motown and, what he contribute to the music industry and whatnot, songwriting and all that good stuff. It's going to be in New York City, June 13th. He also has the Jackson 5, a Broadway musical about Gordy's life. Is going to debut this week on Broadway. So Berry Gordy is winning. Now Michelle Obama is going to be on the USA Vogue edition of the April issue. Tina Turner is going to be on the cover of the Germany April issue. So shout out to her right there. Terrence J, a.k.a. Terrence Jenkins. If you want to know what the J in Terrence J stand for, it stands for Jenkins. I didn't know, but, he is from the country, so, okay. Well, since he left BET, he went over there to Entertainment Tonight or E Extra, one of them shows that starts with the letter E. And now he has a book called The Wealth of My Mother's Wisdom. So shout out to him. He's definitely doing it real major like that. Also winning is Paris Jackson. Her brother is doing his thing, movies, television shows, e-correspondent and things like that. She got the Philadelphia Eagles cheerleader coach scouting her, so shout out to her. Winning, she's not just because she's Michael Jackson's daughter. Well, maybe it is, but Kevin Hart's second season of Real Husbands of Hollywood. If you love that show, that's that ish right there. Shout out to Kevin Hart. Second season is in production right now, so look out for that right there. So that's a wrap up on my winners. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna shout out. Yeah, that's a wrap up my winners right there. Let me see.